everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today we'll be making a wholesome, healthy and super yummy roasted veggie quinoa bowl. Quinoa, which is highly nutritious, rich in protein, combined with the colorful crunchy veggies, and my creamy garlic cashew sauce packs this combo with the much needed flavor that is really hard to resist. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So we'll take half cup of quinoa and rinse it really well. Now we'll add 1 cup of water in a pan. Bring it to boil and add in the rinsed quinoa. We'll also add half teaspoon salt. Turn the heat low, cover the pan and let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes till all the water is absorbed and the quinoa turns fluffy. So this is perfectly cooked. We'll keep it aside and make the garlic cashew sauce. Here I have some cashews that I soaked in hot water for half an hour. We'll discard the water and add the cashews in a blender. We'll also add 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, one tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, half tablespoon honey or maple syrup, some salt, half teaspoon red chilli powder, some black pepper, half tablespoon water, a pinch of Italian seasoning, and now we'll give it a good blend till it turns smooth and creamy. The garlic cashew sauce is ready. We'll keep it aside and roast some veggies. On a medium to high heated pan, we'll add about a tablespoon of oil. Then we'll add some diced beans, some mixed bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, and 1/4 cup green peas. We'll roast the veggies for around 3 to 4 minutes. I like the combo of these veggies, but feel free to add any veggies of your choice. The veggies are done. Let's assemble the bowl. So first we'll add the cooked quinoa. Then we'll add the roasted veggies. We'll also add some chopped spring onion and the garlic cashew sauce. Give it a good mix. And the roasted veggie quinoa bowl is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This veggie quinoa bowl is a super healthy meal which doesn't compromise with the taste at all. So do give it a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.